In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your wallet address on Coinbase. Now it's actually very easy and simple to do, but pay close attention to make sure you get it right. So let's get right into the video. Now in my opinion, the easiest way to go about doing this is going to the 9 dots in the top left corner. So click on that. And then there's a button here that says receive. And if you click on the receive button here, it should tell you your address. Now this one here is going to be my Bitcoin address, but if I click on this tab here, I can go through every single different asset here available. I can even search at the top. So let's say USDT. There's that on there. We can say BNB. Actually, BNB isn't on here. But basically, you can find the address that you want on here. So let's say this one here. And it's going to tell you the address that people can send the crypto to. And it's also going to give you a little QR code that they can also use to send the crypto to. That's basically how you find your wallet address. And if you want to refresh it, you can press this little reload icon, and that's going to refresh the address so that it's fresh and it's new. That's basically how you do it. If you enjoyed the video and found it useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and also comment down below that it helped you out. Thank you for watching.